Hey guys, Matt here. Making improvements to my end-fed half-wave antenna installation out here, and I wanted to show you the progress. Got you're seeing the balun here. So this is a 49-1 from Balun Designs. I'm disabled. My right hand does not want to work properly. So I'm not able to manufacture my own balun, so I had to buy one. This one is made, actually it's an un if you want to get technical. I notice I said balun. It's not a balun. This is a 49-1. It can handle up to 1K. You can see the model number there. It's 49131E. It's from Balun Designs. And anyway, it's our latest design. They've gone through a few intervals. So far, I'm happy with it. As you can see, it runs up. We had a storm here a couple weeks ago. Broke a limb out of the tree, so that's what you're seeing there. But it goes up, I don't know, probably 20 feet to a pulley that I have in a pecan tree. Maybe a little taller than that. And there goes the wire. It's long. I believe it's 130 some odd feet. I believe. Goes all the way out to the tree, way down there, and works pretty well for no taller than it is. Wish I could get it up higher, but it is what it is. Works pretty good for, like I said, for the install. Just limited here by the tree here. Anyway, reason I'm doing this this video is to show you. I put a common mode choke in line with my install here. I added a piece of coax here that is a 1/4 wavelength long on 80 meters. And you can see it here. It's a piece of I actually forget what it is, but anyway, you can see the coax here. Get frustrated because I forget the names of stuff pretty easy because I've had a stroke in the last couple of years. After this video I'll remember it, but anyway, all the names just right on the top of my head. But anyway, it's a 1/4 wavelength. Can't remember how long it is either. Well, I'm just full of it today. But anyway, it runs into the common mode choke here, and I bought it. Again, I wish I could manufacture my own, but I bought it from myantennas.com, and it's the common mode choke 154-3K common mode filter. You can see here, RF line noise isolator, noise suppressor, and then I just have a 50-foot length of coax running into the shack, and it actually helped with my noise issue a whole lot. It quieted down quite a bit, so I'm pretty happy with the install. I'm going to button it up, tighten it up just a little bit, make sure the coax is tightened up and cleaned up just a little bit, and then we'll be done. But I wanted to do a video and show you the choke I put in line here, and show you what you can do with an end-fed half wave. And there you go. So take care, guys, and I'll say 73 to you.